The 2026 Yamaha XT600 marks the powerful return of one of Yamaha's most iconic names in adventure and dual-sport history. Decades after the original XT600 made waves as a rugged, go-anywhere machine, Yamaha has reimagined it for the modern era. This new model promises the perfect balance between off-road toughness, long-distance comfort, and everyday practicality, everything a true adventure rider desires. Design and styling, classic heritage meets modern aggression. The XT600's design pays tribute to its legendary roots while stepping boldly into the future. It carries a muscular stance with minimalist bodywork that reflects the rugged simplicity of the original XT lineage. A redesigned LED headlamp, high-mounted front fender, and sleek, rally-inspired tank give it a sharp, purposeful look. The ergonomics are built for comfort during long rides, with a narrow seat profile, wide handlebars, and optimized rider triangle that suit both standing off-road and seated highway riding positions. The overall build feels light yet solid, thanks to a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, ensuring excellent durability without adding unnecessary weight. Yamaha's engineers clearly designed the XT600 for riders who want style that's functional, not flashy. Engine and performance, a new heart for the trail. At the core of the 2026 XT600 lies a newly developed 600 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and €5+ compliant. Yamaha has tuned it for a smooth, torque-rich performance ideal for both city commuting and challenging terrains. The power delivery feels linear and controlled, offering just the right punch when you twist the throttle. With an estimated output of around 48 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque, the XT600 isn't just about brute strength, it's about control and consistency. The 6-speed gearbox has been refined for seamless transitions between highway cruising and off-road gear ratios. Riders can expect a top speed of around 165 km per hour, 102 miles per hour, impressive for a dual-sport bike of its class. Suspension and handling, built for any terrain. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 comes equipped with long travel, fully adjustable suspension designed to tackle rocky trails, sand, and asphalt with equal confidence. The front features 43 mm upside-down forks with 220 mm of travel, while the rear boasts a monoshock setup with 210 mm of travel, giving riders the freedom to explore wherever the road ends. A lightweight steel frame and improved weight distribution enhance stability, even on uneven surfaces. The bike feels agile yet planted, offering that unmistakable XT confidence whether you're gliding over gravel or cutting through city traffic. Ground clearance stands at an impressive 260 mm, ensuring the XT600 is always ready to go beyond the pavement. Technology and features, smart simplicity. While the XT600 stays true to its rugged DNA, it incorporates modern technology to make life easier for riders. The bike includes ride-by-wire throttle, dual riding modes, Eco and Sport, and switchable ABS for better off-road control. A compact TFT display keeps essential information clear and easy to read, while Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to sync their smartphones for navigation and ride stats. LED lighting all around improves visibility, and a USB-C charging port ensures your gadgets stay powered on long rides. Yamaha has also introduced an optional quickshifter and traction control system, giving the XT600 a modern edge while retaining its adventurous spirit. Comfort and practicality, made for the long haul. The seat height of 875 mm might sound tall, but Yamaha's clever seat contouring makes it manageable for a wide range of riders. Long-distance comfort has been improved with better seat padding, vibration damping, and a 16-liter fuel tank offering a potential range of over 350 km, 217 miles. The bike's dual-purpose tires and lightweight construction make it equally adept in the city or on the trails. For travelers, optional accessories such as aluminum panniers, engine guards, and a touring windscreen transform the XT600 into a capable adventure tourer. Price, rivals, and final thoughts. Yamaha is expected to price the 2026 XT600 around $8,999, positioning it competitively against bikes like the KTM 690 Enduro R, Honda XR650L, and Suzuki DRZ650. What makes the XT600 stand out is its perfect blend of classic durability, modern performance, and Yamaha reliability. The return of the XT600 isn't just a motorcycle release, it's a statement. It's for riders who crave simplicity, endurance, and freedom. Yamaha has truly revived a legend for a new generation. Pro Wheelhouse concludes, the 2026 Yamaha XT600 is more than a motorcycle. It's a rebirth of adventure, designed for those who still believe the best roads are the ones less traveled.